Now, for the Prime Minister of India, Kedarnath does hold a very special place in his heart. So every time Narendra Modi makes a pilgrimage to this holy site, there is no effort spared to improve the Kedarnath Dham for devotees, especially after the devastation in 2013. Each of Prime Minister Modi's visits are indeed unique. If the last time he spent a solitary night in a cave, this time he will be there overseeing the inaugural and launch of a slew of new developmental projects worth at least 400 crore rupees that are currently taking place in Kedarnath Dham. Let's dive in.
Kedarpuri is getting all digged up. The Prime Minister is coming.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पिछले वर्षों में एक बहुत बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का काम इस केदारपुरी में किया है। आप देखेंगे कितना चौड़ा एक कॉरिडोर जहां हजारों लोग खड़े हो सकते हैं। शंकराचार्य भगवान की प्रतिमा का अनावरण होना है। आप देखेंगे उधर सारे पंडों के सारे मकानों का पुनः निर्माण हो रहा है। आप देखेंगे आस्था पथ अलग से तैयार हो रहा है। तो कुल मिलाकर एक बहुत बड़ा जो उनकी एक आस्था थी, जो उनका एक भगवान केदार के प्रति लगाव था, वो सारा यहाँ नजर आ रहा है।
Prime Minister Modi will be offering prayers at the Kedarnath temple. He will inaugurate the Samadhi of Sri Adi Shankaracharya that was damaged in the 2013 deluge. He will also unveil a statue of the Shankaracharya.
ये जो आदि शंकराचार्य जी की यहाँ पर समाधि थी और एक धर्मदंड वहाँ पर एक स्थापित किया गया था, क्योंकि आपदा के समय वो क्षतिग्रस्त हो गया, तो वहाँ पर आदि गुरु शंकराचार्य की एक विशाल प्रतिमा वहाँ पर स्थापित की गई, जिसका वजन 28 टन है। और ये मैसूर के पास ये इस प्रतिमा को बनाया गया है और बहुत जीवंत है। कृष्ण शिला जो ग्रेनाइट जैसी मजबूत होती है, और एक दक्षिण की जैसी परंपरा है कि वहाँ पर जो प्रतिमाएं बनती हैं वो इसी कृष्ण शिला से बनती हैं। तो उसी कृष्ण शिला से इस प्रतिमा को बनाया गया है आदि गुरु शंकराचार्य जी की, जो लगभग 12 फुट ऊंची है और 28 टन इसका वेट है।
It is stunning. They have captured the equanimity of Adi Shankara and also the strength of Adi Shankara. He travelled across India 4 times before he died at the age of 32. So most statues just keep only his calmness, but this brings both elements of it, and it's really beautiful.
शुरू में हमने रामबाड़ा से केदारनाथ तक रास्ते का निर्माण किया है। उसके बाद केदारनाथ में 2 हेलीपैड और लिंचौली में 1 हेलीपैड का निर्माण किया है, और केदारनाथ में 40 तीर्थ पुरोहितों के घरों का निर्माण किया गया है, और यहाँ पर 3 पुल हमने बनाए हैं, और जो मंदिर के सामने जो रास्ता है उसका निर्माण किया गया है, और सरस्वती नदी की तरफ यहाँ पर रास्ते का निर्माण किया गया है, और अभी मंदाकिनी नदी की तरफ रास्ते का निर्माण चल रहा है और घाटों का निर्माण चल रहा है।
Prime Minister Modi will lay the foundation stone for multiple projects worth over 180 crore rupees. These include the redevelopment of Sangam Ghat, First Aid and Tourist Facilitation Centre, Admin Office and Hospital, 2 guest houses, Police Station, Command and Control Centre, Mandakini Astha Path, Queue Management, and Rain Shelter, and Saraswati Civic Amenity Building. The Prime Minister will also review and inspect the work already done and are still in process along the Saraswati Astha Path. There are few other projects that the Prime Minister is scheduled to inaugurate. In the list are key infrastructure projects which have been completed, like the Saraswati Retaining Wall Astha Path and Ghats, Mandakini Retaining Wall Astha Path, Tirth Purohit Houses and Garud Chatti Bridge on River Mandakini.
जो 2013 के बाद यहाँ पे पहले से बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था स्थापित कर दी गई है। हमारे जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी हैं, उनके मार्गदर्शन में यहाँ पे पहले से बहुत ही अच्छा जो व्यवस्था है यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रही है, और सभी यात्री यहाँ पर आकर बहुत ही प्रसन्न हैं, अति प्रसन्न हैं।
देखिए, मैं लगातार 2011 से यहाँ पे बाबा केदार की यात्रा कर रहा हूँ। 2013 में जो आपदा आई थी, उसके 1-2 साल तक काफ़ी तहस नहस यहाँ पे हो गया था, लोगों का रोज़गार छिन गया था। लेकिन आज के समय में लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा रोज़गार यहाँ पे मिल रहा है, और काफ़ी अच्छा यहाँ पे कार्य जो हो रहा है, शासन प्रशासन की तरफ से बहुत अच्छा कार्य हो रहा है।
प्रोटोकॉल के अनुसार और सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स के अनुसार सारी तैयारियाँ, बैरिकेडिंग इत्यादि इत्यादि सब करी जा रही हैं।
The BJP has invited sadhus and devotees to be part of the nationwide celebrations on 5th November to be held at 4 dhams, 12 Jyotirlings and 86 prominent temples, established across the country by Adi Shankaracharya during his travels.
माना जाता है कि पांडवों ने यहाँ पर इस मंदिर का निर्माण करवाया था। उसके बाद इसको पुनर्जीवित करने का काम किया था आदि गुरु शंकराचार्य ने। तब से लेकर अब तक ये मंदिर यूं ही यहाँ पर डटा है, खड़ा है और दूर दूर से भक्तजन यहाँ पर आते हैं। लेकिन 2013 उस साल की आई प्राकृतिक आपदा ने यहाँ पर सब कुछ तहस नहस कर दिया था, सब कुछ बिखर सा गया था। लेकिन एक बार फिर से मूर्त रूप में यह हिस्सा कर रहा है बाबा भोले के भक्तों का स्वागत और पूरी तरह से इसकी रौनक भी इस मंदिर की भव्यता और यहाँ की शालीनता, इसकी कुशलता को देखकर आप समझ सकते हैं।
Well, let me tell you, our reporters there braving the cold. It's barely 1 degree Celsius in Kedarnath currently. I have my reporters there. Kudos to you, Ashutosh and Sanjay Sharma, both of them reporting from Ground Zero, Kedarnath. It's really, really cold, Ashutosh. I can only imagine you standing there, but doing your job very well. What do we see there? Kedarnath all lit up right ahead of Modi's visit. And of course, it's Diwali. What better place to be?
Well, Nabila, first of all, wish you a very happy Diwali to all our viewers.
Very happy Diwali
Indeed, it's chilling and now it's just slight up than 0 degree, and probably by midnight it's gonna be around -7 or -8 degree. And yes, it is indeed lit up here at Kedarnath Valley, just 200 meters from one of the ashram lao. The saints and the Shias are celebrating Diwali, and this is going to be unique because tomorrow, when the doors will be closed for the next season, next pilgrimage, here at least some amount of the tourists, the pilgrims, the devotees, those who are here, and since the Prime Minister is visiting tomorrow, they do not want to miss the chance because they will be also addressing as several projects will also be inaugurated by the Prime Minister, and it is going to be really significant. Post particularly, the devastation in 2013, I have seen the rebuilding project of Kedarnath, and indeed it has been a commendable job from all the agencies, particularly the monitoring and the personal intervention of the Prime Minister, as it was believed to be his pet project, how the rebuilding project of Kedarnath was taking place. And clearly it's going to be really special Diwali. If you can see in those close images, that's Kedarnath temple completely lit up and everything has been decorated to welcome the Prime Minister tomorrow morning when he reaches here at 8 p.m. But at the moment, Saint and Seers joining me here, Lalit Maharaj ji, कितना स्पेशल मोमेंट होगा आज की ये दिवाली, एंड पर्टिकुलरली जो डिवोटीज अपने घर पे हैं, इसमें ब्रॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं, नहीं आ सकते, उन्हें किन शब्दों में आप आशीर्वाद देंगे?
ओम महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो श्री लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। आज आदिशक्ति माँ लक्ष्मी भगवती जगदम्बा की कृपा का ये दिन है, तो जिसके उपलक्ष्य में हम बाह्य दीपों का प्रज्वलन करते हैं और हम उन सभी से अपेक्षा रखते हैं कि अपने भीतर के दीपों को भी प्रकाशित करेंगे। ये दीप हमारा सांकेतिक प्रकाश का एक संकेत है जो हमें देता है प्रेरणा कि हम भीतर के उस प्रकाश को अवलोकित करें जो हमारे जीवन को और हमारे समाज को और हमारे मनुष्य जीवन को सार्थक करता है।
So when it comes to saints and Sharon and Sanatan Dharma, largely they pray for the peace and harmony of the world. And of course, few people are missing bursting crackers there in the national capital and across NCR. Here, it's all lit up with these diyas celebrating a grand Diwali at Kedar Dham. Back to you, Nabila.
Fantastic. Let me cut across to Sanjay Sharma. Of course, we know what happened back in 2013, Sanjay. Devastating floods there that really killed the fabric of Kedarnath at that point of time. It took a long while for Kedarnath to pick itself back. And finally, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there going to be inaugurating a slew of projects worth 400 crore rupees to sort of resurrect Kedarnath to its old glory. Take us through exactly what's expected.
Very happy Diwali to all our viewers.
Diwali.
And now very beautifully lit up the Kedarnath temple, and the last leg of preparation to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, 5th time that Kedarnath Valley is preparing herself to welcome the Prime Minister, 5th time here. And in front of the temple there is a podium from where the Prime Minister will talk to all peoples, and many of saints will be participate in that function, and Prime Minister will inaugurate many of his dream projects, and some projects he will laying stone, foundation stone, and he will start. The devotees are, thousands of devotees are in the front of this temple, and today is because of Deepavali night. it's Lakshmi Puja, and here in the temple, especially Lakshmi Puja is going to celebrate, and there are rangolis and some diyas. People
right,
have
and we see that, Sanjay. And I can't imagine you standing and braving that cold. A very happy Diwali to you, Sanjay, and thank you very much for bringing us those shots. Let me cut across to Ashutosh. Ashutosh, a slew of projects that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is due to be inaugurating. 400 crore rupees worth of projects that will really help Kedarnath resurrect itself to its past glory. What's really to be expected? And I'd like to ask you, those number of families who were devastated after the 2013 floods, how are they doing? What kind of help has been given to them? Is the Prime Minister's, is he going to be meeting them? Is that on the agenda? What more do we know?
Well, it's the fifth visit of the Prime Minister. Consecutively for 5 years, he has been visiting here. And those really, those lost their loved one during the 2013 calamity, perhaps this compensation was made on the enough time. Of course, there are several still missing. Now, there is hardly any scope to find them alive or find them anywhere. But of course, since that was the tragedy, the biggest challenge, Nabila, was here to rebuild Kedarnath. So from 2014, when they started project from the SGR, from the PWD, from the Indian Army, ITBP, a large number of the agencies with heavy machineries were moved in here. And imagine at 11,700 feet of this altitude, bringing of the heavy machineries and ensuring that in very short span of time, you ensure Kedarnath is rebuilt up. And that's exactly what these images are explaining. Look at these crackers now being burned up, all this lit of diyas, mantras, everything, and that's how the celebration is taking place. Because most of the difficult challenge was because, from this month to March or April, this will be completely snow covered. Now you barely have few months in your hand out of 12. So clearly the redevelopment and that's exactly why also Uttarakhand is going to be polling within three months. And now these projects that is going to be announced by the Prime Minister make this event really significant. A local police station. I remember before pre-2013 there was barely 2-bed hospital, some health infrastructure. Now they have a 4-bed infrastructure, including ventilator. All these facilities have been arranged here. So all these agencies, the government administration have been ensuring this number of pilgrims are increasing every year. Those who are coming here at Kedarnath Dham, they should be not facing any difficulty. So when it comes to Prime Minister, the locals, the priests, saints, everyone believes that it was a pet project by the Prime Minister. When he was personally monitoring the entire case, entire development, and every year visiting personally, meeting the officials, that perhaps made and ensured that redevelopment, rebuilding Kedarnath project takes place, and it's really gone well so far. We're still seeing some construction work happening. Number of projects are being constructed here from a police station. Also there's a a unique challenge here that once you rebuild, number of pilgrims is also going to be had. So we have the multiple aviation companies insured, multiple sorties. So a lot of facilities we are seeing that have been strengthened in few years, particularly post devastation 2013, and that the locals believe it is the personal initiative and the dedication by the Prime Minister and this regime that has been carried out here at Kedarnath.
Ashutosh, thank you very much for giving us a complete lowdown on what's to be expected. Prime Minister Narendra Modi all set to visit Kedarnath tomorrow, a day post Diwali. 400 crore rupees worth projects now going to be inaugurated there. Now, on the occasion of Diwali, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Nowshera sector of Jammu and Kashmir along the line of control, keeping up with his practice of spending the festival with the army personnel. This time also, Prime Minister Modi met with soldiers within that region. Modi paid tributes to soldiers who lost their lives on the line of duty. While addressing soldiers, Prime Minister Modi told them that security forces of the nation were his family members. Prime Minister also hailed India's efforts to strengthen its defence infrastructure. Prime Minister has said that now 65% defence budget is being spent within the nation itself. Modi also said that India has to enhance as well as adapt to military capabilities and match it with changing world and the mode of war. As earlier, it used to take years to procure equipment for security forces, but today India stands prepared and ready with the mission and vision Atmanirbhar Bharat. He also hailed India's Nari Shakti initiative, saying that now all military colleagues are open to women in the military.
मेरा भी मन करता है कि मैं दिवाली मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच में मनाऊं, और इसीलिए हर दिवाली मैं मेरे परिवारजनों के बीच मनाने के लिए आता हूं, क्योंकि आप मेरे परिवारजन हैं, मैं आपका परिवार का साथी हूं। तो मैं यहाँ प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में नहीं आया हूं, मैं आपके परिवार के एक सदस्य के रूप में आया हूं। आप सभी के बीच आना, जो भाव अपने परिवार के बीच जाकर के होता है, वही भाव मेरे मन में होता है।
All right, for more on that, you could log on to indiatoday.in. You could also download our app for more. Stay tuned. I'm going to come back with top news and updates on the other side. But for now, an India Today special.